Hey, I got a lesson for you. Take a look. This is what you're going to be doing after you watch Brain Pop and do the quiz and your worksheet. So it's sound waves are made from vibrating molecules, and you are going to put pictures on here and four different ones of an object that has sound or something that has sound and show that it's vibrating the sound waves to you. So you can have yourself in the picture as well in each of these four pictures. So there's going to be four pictures total. So that's the first one. So make your paper look similar to this. Do a nice neat job when you are drawing. Then on the back side, you have high frequency sound waves and low frequency sound waves. So you're going to make high frequency ones here and low ones on the bottom. And we looked at them, we've talked about them enough, so that's what you need to do there. Okay? And I want to show you one other thing. So we have this picture, and this picture shows vibrating molecules coming to the ear. So as you do this picture, these pictures, you can show that sound with vibrating molecules to your ear. Okay? I'll put this on Google Classroom so you can think about it. So for instance, here is some object you have on one of these pictures. Show these molecules vibrating against each other until they come to you. That'll show it, okay? That's what I want you to show, because air molecules vibrate as the sound comes to your ear and then vibrates your eardrum. And those are things that you need to understand for the standard. So go ahead and look at Google Classroom, and you'll be able to see this picture and you'll get the idea of what I'm saying, okay? And that's for one of these four, or for all four of these pictures. And then this, of course, is the sound waves that we've been talking about, the high frequency and the low frequency ones. Okay, that's about it. All right, take care of that. That's your work for either Wednesday or Thursday, depending upon which day you are in workshop with Mr. Stark or Mr. Kaditz.